Now we know how much Carlos Tavares got paid, and actually came out by Reuters actually today on my birthday. So here we go right here. Former Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares' pay package fell 37%. It fell down almost 40% to only $24 million in 2024 to fail. The weather's warming up, which means it is time to bring your favorite ride out of hibernation. And what better way to kick off the season than by saving up to 15% off on the top aftermarket accessories for your muscle car, pony car, truck, or SUV. My friends at Just Bolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com have you covered. Use my promo code BUTTER at checkout, and if you need some sticky Mickeys, you got till March 31st to save up to $100 on a set of tires. So don't wait. Hit up my friends at Just Bolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com, where the best deals online just got even better. The former Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares saw his total pay fall 37% last year to $23 million, basically euros and all that crap, before he unexpectedly resigned in December. Tavares clashed with the Chrysler and Fiat owners board over his near-term focus on cutting costs rather than keeping an eye on broader goals. His aggressive pricing strategy contributed to slipping U.S. sales, which the automaker is still trying to claw back from. This dude failed so bad, he still got paid $24 million basically to walk away. It's just wild. But it's just like what we were saying, me, TK, OC Motivator were saying over the past couple years, that this guy was basically just destroying everything left and right, trying to make sure that he got his golden package, in which down later in this article, he got half of his golden package. Tavares will receive an additional $2 million in severance and $10 million in bonus pay, which I've been saying in videos lately that he had a $25 million nest egg, and it basically gave him half of it, or a little under half, $25 million. But he gonna get an extra $10 million bonus pay this year for meeting a series of company milestones. It's said in a regulatory filing filed on February 27th. So, but yeah, they basically gave him half of the milestones that he reached, which if you think about it, that is the reason why a lot of stuff went wrong in his company, because he had a lot of milestones tied to this, where if he had so many EVs in the market, especially in North America, where he had a lot of cost cutting things going on, as long as he met that, it didn't matter if the sales were up or sales were down. As long as he met certain milestones, he manipulated the whole market in order to pay him a $25 million nest egg. But apparently no one bought into the crap, and now you see that Stellantis is basically failing in the North American market. And watching TK's video, you never know, Stellantis might go bankrupt if they don't bring a Hemi back, which I'll get to the Hemi in another video, because some other CEO of Stellantis basically said something about the Hemi's coming back again. Now let's see, as the company's chairman, John Elkann interviewed CEO candidates deciding how many of the automaker's 14 brands have a vibrant future is a significant priority. Let's see, the next CEO will be announced in the first half of this year. Elkann said, let's see, we have excellent candidates both internally and externally. Elkann told analysts on February 26, where the automaker reported its 2024 financial results. Shares in Stellantis have fallen about 50% over the last 12 months. Yikes. The automaker is also working to repair freight relationships with dealers, unions, suppliers, and shareholders, bringing in new executives and more open communication with stakeholders. Yeah, because they basically lied to all those people's faces because they weren't being real with them. And a lot of these people are, I guess one remember seeing a lawsuit going on by some of these shareholders. So yikes, they got a lot of stuff to fix. Stellantis said its employees earned an average of 66,000 euros in 2024, down 6% in 2023. Tavares' total compensation was 350 times that of the average employee. Yikes, that dude. But yeah, basically like we've been saying, man, this dude has been the worst thing that happened to this company, I don't know, ever. But now that he's gone, now these CEOs of other brands cannot stop talking about Hemi V8, because they already know in order to save this brand, they need Hemis back. If they don't bring Hemis back, this company ain't gonna survive. You don't necessarily go cold turkey in 1 year and drop Hemis out of literally all your products and think you're just not gonna be you're not gonna feel that. So I'm just saying that maybe they need to go ahead and start bringing the Hemis back quicker than what they was Well, hell, they wouldn't expect to bring Hemi back anyways. But yeah, they're going to bring Hemi back very quick, or they're going to be very, very SOL.